Hello guys, we have this amazing website today. It's called insmind.com. So first, as always, let's log in. Here you can choose with Google or you can enter your temporary email, and the temporary email is working here also. Now we are in. As you can see, we have agent, we have image, and we have video. So for the agent, we can upload the reference image and we can edit on it, or we can upload the video and get the prompt of how was this video created. So let's try first with the video, which is the most important. Okay, I put the reference image and I put the prompt. Here we have all different AI models for generating the video. And here we have the start, end frame, or omni reference. Here we have the ratio and we have the resolution, also the duration. We click here. Now, as you can see, the video was generated. You can download it or you can preview it. Let's click on the preview button.
Hey, subscribe to Danny's Quickest Tutorial channel on YouTube for more free AI websites.
We can click here to export. Here, as you can see, the properties, we have the video ratio and we have the audio bitrate. So as always, it's free. We did not consume anything. You can go back and create more. And when you change from auto to like 10 seconds or 15 seconds, or when you choose another resolution, it will consume credits. But if you left it on 480 and choose any ratio you want, it will still on free. You can choose the omni reference and you can try with other models. Some of them are free, some of them might consume credits. And also for ChatGPT, you have one free creation each day. Also, there is free model, which is Nano Banana. It's one creation a day. Or you can use Seed Dream or Seed Dream Pro. You can change the resolution and now you can create. And as always, remember, you can create a temporary email and log in again and use it without any limitation. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe for my channel for more useful content. And as always, see ya.